Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
You start by pairing and preparing. Put the AirPods Pro 2 in your ears and verify they show connected on your iPhone. Next, open the Translate app or swipe to the Translate control, grant microphone permission, and allow background audio. Choose the source language you'll speak and the target language to hear. Once done, set input detection to automatic if you want seamless switching, or lock a language for precision. This gets your hardware and software ready for live translation with minimal delay. You now initiate live translation. Tap Conversation or Live Translate and enable streaming to your AirPods so translations come directly to your ears. Speak in short, clear phrases. Pause for a beat between sentences so the app segments speech correctly. If background noise interferes, switch between transparency for situational awareness or active noise cancellation for quieter input. This stabilizes recognition. Make sure companions' replies are routed back into the app, so each side's speech is captured and translated in real time. To finish, stop the live translation session and disconnect the AirPods to conserve battery. You can review the conversation history in the Translate app if required. If you experience lag or missed phrases, move nearer to your iPhone, close competing audio apps, and have both parties speak a bit slower. Should problems persist, restart the AirPods and the Translate app and check for iOS updates. Often a quick update resolves compatibility and latency issues, restoring accurate, real-time translation.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.